Okay, recording.
Look, all this snow, we're out shooting for fun. This is awesome.
Wow, it looks beautiful, babe.
Yeah.
Woohoo. They look like little pellets.
Capture some boat.
Can you see it on my sleeve?
Oh man, this is nice. You gotta see me over here.
Just at a nearby park.
Here we are. Look at this beautiful snow. We're out here just shooting. Doesn't matter what happens, rain or snow. Having fun out here. Hi, babe. Say hi to everyone.
Hey, world.
Look at the snow around us, huh?
Beautiful world.
Is this awesome or what? I'm gonna pan 360 so you guys can see slowly. Man, it is coming down. This is awesome. This is just a small park right next to our house. And here we are. Back. Okay. Some creative framing here. This would be a nice frame, snap. And then maybe another one like this. Another one like this. Catch the falling snow coming down. Pretty.
Thanks.